Here's another isometric do it now task. This one I'm calling the cross block because it's actually a block with sections removed from it. To do this one, the first thing we have to concentrate on is to get our starting point in the correct position. So if we come under the letter T here and start our starting point here. I'm using a fine liner, but perhaps you'd like to use a pencil, and the block is quite so the cross we're drawing on the top here is quite simple. There. So that's the first part. Then we've got two squares down there and 2 down here. This isometric grid is some of these are diamond shapes are slightly like more rectangular, so it's slightly different, but if you just count the squares or the rectangles on here, you'll be okay. So there's our part there, and then we're coming down here. So we've got a little return there and a return there. And then we haven't got an addition there because we don't see any of it. We do have this part here and this part here. So there's our finished shape, and what I'm going to do with this one in terms of shading is I've added some diagonal hatching this time. So we can see we've got a light, and we've got dark faces here, slightly shaded faces here, and non-shaded faces there. So for the darker faces, I'm doing 45-degree hatching, and then so using this texture, and then for the lighter shaded faces, just the single shading. So if we can see that there, so we've got the double 45-degree or diagonal cross hatching there and single cross hatching there. So there is the cross block isometric.